Oh, can somebody tell me what this is? Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, oh, okay. Well, wait. What's this? Oh no, what's this? What is this? Oh, can somebody tell me what this is? Anybody? Can somebody please tell me what this is? Anybody? Just tell me what this is, okay? Oh, I need somebody out there to tell me what is this? Oh, wait, what's this? Oh my gosh. Oh, no, my bad. What is this? Oh, yeah. Does anybody know what this is? Anybody? Can somebody please tell me what this is? Help me out. Oh, what is this thing? I've never seen anything. Oh, wait a minute. I've never seen anything like it. Oh, my gosh. She has a husband, and she can't even fry fish. Oh, my gosh. She has a whole husband, and she can't even cook. Oh, my gosh. You know what? That is just a disgrace. He needs to leave her. He needs to leave her ASAP. Oh, my bad. What is this? What is this, y'all? Does anybody know what this is? Oh, yeah. But guess what? Her husband, he has a whole wife, and he can't fix anything. He can't. He just can't. But it's okay. Because guess what? Oh, wait. What? Oh, my gosh. Oh, my bad. What is this? Yeah. She can't what? He can't what? And he can't do what? What? Because guess what? What? He still loves her. Oh my gosh, it can't be. Oh my gosh, he loves her? Yeah, he loves her. And guess what else? She loves him back. Yeah, guess what? Oh my gosh, they love each other. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. It can't be. Oh my gosh. Does anybody tell me what this is? Somebody please tell me what this is, because I need to know. I need to know. Somebody please tell me what this is. Come on.